Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sam606 Vlogs.
City on fire. She sets the city on fire. Burns like a million lighters. I'm blowing up.
My personal favorite car is here, the Hyundai Creta. So let's roll the video right here, right now.
Now, if we talk about the front, one LED projector with DRLs, daytime running lamp. Just below it vertical shaped fog lamps are there, and the grille is divided by 3 horizontal slates which is highlighted by chrome, and it is also divided into 2 parts, and this give a classic look to the car. The bonnet of the car look amazing as compared to the size of the car. Now, if we talk about side profile, we get 17-inch alloy with diamond cut alloy, and it looks fabulous. And the size of the tire is 215 by 60 R17, and the type of the tire is tubeless and radial. Side profile of the car looks pretty classic, but the co-passenger door doesn't get any request sensor or any keyhole, and it is top of the line variant. These are the support for the car which give better stability in high speed because of the wind blast, and we get a shark type small antenna at the rear portion. Now coming to the back profile, the back windshield looks smaller as compared to the size of the car. And you get a sportier front and rear skid plate. We get Hyundai badging at the center. At the left, car name and a chrome highlighted grille just above number plate. And at the right, we get model name and the engine badging as well. And this is the rear light which we get, and just below it reflectors are given with 4 rear parking sensors. This is the key of the car. As you press the button, it will flash once for lock and twice for unlock. If you hold the third button, then boot will open. Now for opening boot, just press the button behind it and then boot will open. It has cargo volume of 400 liters, which is sufficient for everyone. And we get trunk light for our comfort, but it has no sensor for judging that it is day or night. We can see tire cutout properly. For opening driver side door, we can use request sensor or we can use key, and all the handles are highlighted by chrome. This is only available in top end variant. This is the front door which we get, and these are the switches for door lock and unlock and power window. Driver side power window is automatic, which means window will automatically goes down and goes up, and these are the controls of ORVMs. This is the 3-spoke steering wheel which we get. This is the switches of front wiper as well as rear wiper. We can set speed. And this is the switch off for headlight, indicator and fog lamp. But this is not automatic. This is the speedometer of the car. Right side switch is the control of MID, multi-information display. It shows every basic information, or you can say more than basic. It shows distance to empty, live average, clock, outside temperature, odometer. It shows all the warning like door is open or service due, or you can set every basic information as per your need. You can set all the basic information like service interval, or you can set temperature like Celsius or Fahrenheit, everything just as per your needs. Right side shows which is the speed, which is kilometer per hour with fuel indicator, and at the left tachometer with engine heat temperature. These are the switch of beam adjuster, traction control and illumination switch, which can increase as well as decrease the brightness of speedometer as shown here. As we decrease the illumination, the brightness of speedometer decreases, and as we increase the illumination, the brightness of speedometer increases. This is the 7-inch infotainment system which we get, which is very easy to access. There are the switches of navigation, display button, media, FM radio, changing track and etc. By pressing display button, the display will on and off. By connecting phone, you can access music and as well as you can pick up calls. And this will seek your track like track up and down. For media, you have to connect through USB or you can use aux cable as well. This is the switch for FM radio. Just below it, AC functions are there. Left knob will adjust fan speed or you can set it automatic. And right knob will adjust temperature. And in between, a standard classic display is there. Mode button is the switch for vents, that is where will be the air come. Now these two buttons are the switch for rear defogger as well as front defogger. Just below it we get 12 volt output and one USB and one aux output of audio. This is the 6-speed manual transmission, and for putting the car in reverse, simply pull the knob up and put the car in the position of first gear. Then it will engage in reverse. And automatically in the infotainment system, rear camera opens, and if you move the steering wheel right or left, it will show virtually that where the car will go. As you can see in the screen, and it shows warning like check surroundings for your safety. This car comes with automatic foldable and adjustable ORVMs, or you can say rear view mirror. It can adjust individually. And in here vanity mirror is there. And on driver side there is one band for holding your toll tickets, which is very basic in look. And you get sunglasses holder as well, and individual light for co-passenger and driver side, and door open light, which can set light should on when door are open or not. And you get manually adjustable rear view mirror for auto dim or not. Now coming to the back seat, we get switch for power window and we get 4 speakers on each door. And at the center we get rear AC vent, which is a good thing. And just below it again a 12 volt output for charging mobile phone or anything else. This is the view of dashboard from rear, which look pretty awesome. Here is the engine of the car. As you can see, let's hear the sound of the car. Now time for test drive. We didn't feel any discomfort at front as well as rear. Sufficient amount of legroom is there. Bumps absorbed by car is pretty well. Car does pretty well in low RPMs and gear shifting is very smooth as we talk about manual transmission.
If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share and subscribe for latest update. Bye bye.